Hey friends, if you wish to stop Valorant from minimizing to system tray when closed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, open Valorant game and you will be redirected to the Riot client. You'll have to sign into it. Now click on the profile symbol at the top right corner and select settings. Go to Riot client. Don't go to Valorant, go to Riot client. There's an option here which says minimize to system tray. So it says that it will I mean when you're exiting Valorant, it will actually be minimized to the system tray. The Riot client will be minimized to the system tray, but you can also choose the option to exit the application, which makes it easier to exit. Personally, I will recommend to keep it selected at minimize to system tray, but it's your choice. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.